How are you guys? Hot Car Track here. Hey Po Boy, this is for you. This is some of the tape that I have tried over the last couple of months. I'm currently using this stuff here. This is called gaffer tape. It's made by a company called Bear. It's like a cloth tape, but it's really thin. I don't know if your camera can see that. And that's what I'm using on these joints here. And as the cars come across, it's not so heavy for them. It's very low impact for the cars. This is just normal packing tape, which I have tried. That right there is a bit of packing tape, but it keeps lifting. We're in summer here, and in this back studio, it gets over 40 degrees in here. So now this sort of tape just lifts. That's another sort of high quality brand of packing tape that I've tried. And that worked fantastic, but yet again, it lifted. This here is PVC tape. It's like it's really strong tape. I think it's used for plumbing. It's duct tape, PVC. And I actually did the whole track in this and thought, wow, this is excellent. Then I came back a couple of hours later when the room heated up, and this stuff just started to sort of do this. It started to bunch up, and you can see how it sort of does that. So that was useless. So the best stuff I found was this sort of cheapish thin cloth tape, and that's what I've done on these joints. Do not put the tape over the joint. You will have severe problems. You need to really get it really tight in the corner of the track here. As you can see, I'll just keep moving around for you. You will have issues if you go over and do that. It's a really tricky thing to get right, and if you are building a track like this out of Fat Track, you'll need to match up pieces, and you need to make sure the joins, I don't know if you can see this here, but some of this track is a bit different, that the join doesn't go inwards because that will impact on the car coming down. The join goes outwards. It's a very tricky thing to get right, and you know, every day I need to adjust my track, every single day. You know, humidity in this room plays a massive part in this track. It's not a track that I could just leave and let it sit. I've got some issues up here, up on the start gate at the moment. So I've got to come through, I clean the track every day, I make sure the tape hasn't sort of bunched up with the heat. It's early morning here, I'm just about to start another heat, as I say, because I can't, in the afternoon, the tape, everything just expands a bit, and plus the GoPros tend to overheat. So there you go, mate, that's some of the tape that I've tried. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in Heat 6 in the next day. Thanks for watching.